class. As you'll see in the main ring currently, the Dayco Flying Angels are in the process of setting up. They're going to have a short warm-up, and then just after 1 o'clock we'll be doing their display. So that'll be just after 1. Then the young farmers will be in the main ring, and the Dayco Flying Angels will do a second display around 2 o'clock. As I say, the timings are fairly flexible just to make sure that we get a good crowd. But the young farmers also have a stand in the far left-hand side of the main field. There is the teleporter challenge, so if you want to have a go on farming equipment to pick up the ball with the teleporter, and the young farmers will show you the ropes and let you have a go at the teleporter challenge. The top field looks extremely busy, and up there you'll find the cake and tea stand overlooks the dog show, so you can have some refreshments whilst overlooking the dog show and watching the classes pass through. There are also car and motorbike exhibits in that field, and in addition the food outlets and craft tent and other stalls are there. The entrance to that field is the Links and Oxair ambulance stand. For those that are regular attenders